Welcome to another session of the Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit, GMIS 2020 digital series.
It is important to ensure that impact investment for sustainability, for livelihood can help us to bring a better future. We need to make sure that the SMEs and the MSMEs have a proper access to finance and that they have a proper access to investment. Enhancing the compliance with the MSMEs with implementation of standards will also help to prepare for a more inclusive and sustainable future.
Increasing women economic activity is the logic reaction on the opportunities and challenges of fourth industrial revolutions. Many of the working places that could be automated by the implemented digital technologies are currently occupied by women. Women need to be recognized as producers, entrepreneurs, and leaders, not only removing barriers that prevent upgrading of technical knowledge and access of women to market is essential.
We're working, as you know, day and night to develop initiative programs, techniques to support startups, micro, small and medium businesses, mainly how we ensure the right ecosystem for domestic investment to mobilization of foreign direct investment. Now, of course, with the COVID-19, this has have forwarded us to the digital revolution or the fourth industrial revolution to be more engaged, to ensure the entrepreneurs' resilience in the different countries we have been working with. So today, we're witnessing even the GMIS, how now it has been all transformed to be virtual, which I think this is going to be the future of entrepreneurs when we come to innovation and digitalization.
Within this environment of a compounded risk of security and COVID, one of the key ingredients for resilience and sustainability was access to financing. Most small and medium enterprises have difficulty meeting the requirement of conventional financing with commercial banks. So they will resort to institutions of microfinance.
Union of Arab Chamber is the representative of the private sector in all 22 Arab countries. The private sector means 75% of the GDP of the Arab countries. And it was very smart of UNIDO Bahrain to join forces with the private sector of the Arab countries because the chambers are financed by the investors, by the entrepreneurs. Our goal here is to create jobs. The idea is to be very consistent with the new world order, with the fourth industrial revolution, with the SDGs. We are going to have an ecosystem, and this ecosystem hopefully will make a great change.
The private sector invests more than 60 to 70% of this whole investments in the country. Now that also another parameter that how innovation is actually led by the business people than it is pushed by the government. So we have created a company. It's a joint venture company with the government. It's a PPP, public-private partnership, where government investments into R&D is managed by this company. So it is a risk-sharing model. I'm sure this particular model is going to be a new direction towards different countries possibly to adopt this, that many countries has an incentivization system, but possibly risk-sharing would be the much better model.
As you know, Badea has just started the implementation of its 2030 strategy. This strategy is centered around 4 pillars, and one of the pillars is entrepreneurship and support to SMEs. We need really to bring everybody who is interested in supporting SMEs and everybody who can contribute to the development of SMEs in Africa, and to have them work together.